Today we are going to solve the problems from exercise 2.5, the next sums 5, 6 and 7. We have solved the previous problems in the previous video. You can check that. Now we'll move on to the fifth problem, that is factorize. You're going to factorize this expression 4x squared plus 9y squared 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. See, you have x, y, z, three variables. So we are going to use algebraic identity for three variables x, y and z. So look here, you have two identities here. Now we have to compare the right hand side of the identity with the given expression. If we compare this, the first one is similar to this expression. We have x square term, y square term, z square term, xy is also there, yz, xz. Everything is present. So we are going to use the first identity. So the first identity is x plus y plus z the whole squared equals to x squared plus y squared plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, now we'll write down the given expression 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16z squared plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay, now 4x squared. We can write this 4x squared as 2 squared and x squared. Shall we write like that? Okay, 2 squared, x squared. The same way 9 can be written as 3 squared, y squared I am writing as it is. 16z squared, and this 16 can be written in 4 squared. Writing this z square as it is. Let us write the xy, yz and xz terms as it is. Okay, now look at here, you have 2 squared, x squared. So we can write this as 2x the whole squared. In the same way, 3 squared y squared can be written as 3y the whole squared. Now let's write like that. This term is 2x the whole squared. 3 squared y squared is 3y the whole squared. 4 square z square is 4z the whole squared. Okay, here it is written as minus 4z square. So why are we writing like this? See, here we have x, y terms. Both the terms are positive. So the x term and y term is positive. In the place where you get z, you have negative signs here. So we are taking the z term as negative. That's why we have written here as minus 4z the whole squared. Similarly, 12xy. We have to write this with two factor. 2 into xy. The first x term and y term should be present here. Here in the x term we have 2x. In the y we have 3y. So 2 into 2x into 3y. 12xy can be written as 2 into 2x into 3y. Now minus 24yz. Y is 3y and 2 is the factor. We are writing this 2 as it is into 3y. The z we have, z place we have minus 4z. So we are writing minus 4z here plus minus 16xz. So 2 into minus 4z into 2x. Okay, can you understand this? Now in the place of x you have 2x. In the place of y you have 3y. In the place of z you have minus 4z. So the right hand side we have written it factorized like this. So this expression will be equal to the left hand side. So we are going to write the left hand side. So in the place of x we are going to substitute 2x. In the place of y we are going to substitute 3y. In the place of z we are going to substitute minus 4z. So the equation becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4z. And this can be further factorized as 2x plus 3y minus 4 into 2x plus 3y minus 4. The square term we are writing it 2 times. That's all. We'll move on to the next problem. 2x squared plus y squared plus 8z squared minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus xz. So we are going to use the same identity as we are having x term, y squared term, z squared term, xy, yz and xz. Writing the expression. Now, in the last problem we had 4x squared. So we wrote that as 2 squared. But here you have 2. How can we write in the 2 in the form of squared form? If we write 2 squared, it will become 4. So how could we write the 2 term in square form? Root 2x into root 2x. Root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So that we are going to write in the form of root 2x. So root 2x into root 2x will become equal to 2x squared. And y square term will be taken as it is. Here you have 8z square. Now how can we write this 8 in the squared form? So we can write that as 2 root 2z into 2 root 2z. See here 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 will become 8. Z into z will become z squared. And the xy term, yz term will write as it is. So this expression can be written as root 2 the whole squared x squared plus y squared plus 2 root 2 the whole squared z squared minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Now this expression can be written as root 2 x the whole squared, and y squared can be written as y the whole squared, 2 root 2 z the whole squared. So why am I taking minus here? See here, in the place of xy you have minus term. So any one of these terms should be negative. In the place of yz you have positive term. So y and z is obviously positive numbers. They are not negative. In the place of xz you have minus term. So when you get y and z you have positive sign. When you get x, see here xy term you have negative. The same when you have x with z, here negative. So x term should be a negative number. So that's why we are taking minus here. Then this 2 root 2 xy can be written as 2 into minus root 2x into y. Now multiply this and see, you will get this term. Minus symbol, it's here, 2 root 2 xy. Next 4 root 2 yz, 2 into y into 2 root 2 z. Simply you can write this as the same, the 2 term is here, right? So you can write the 2 here and you have the x term and y term here. Just in the place of x you can write this number here, multiplied by, in the place of y you can put the y term. That will be the simplification. So in the place of xy you can put the x into y, the terms, first two terms. So in the place of y and z you can put the terms y squared and z squared terms here. 2 should be multiplied with the terms. In the place of xz, 2 into, in the place of x you have minus 2x, we are going to write that, and in the place of z you are going to write the z term. So in the place of x you have minus root 2x, y is equal to y and z is equal to 2 root 2z. So we are going to write the LHS part of the identity. So it will become minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z the whole square, and this can be further factorized as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. Now we'll move on to the sixth problem, 2x plus 1 the whole cube. In the previous video we have learnt the identities for cubic form. that is x plus y the whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. X minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So comparing this with the given expression, the first one matches similar with this, that is 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So we are going to use the first identity, that is x plus y the whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So in the place of x you have 2x and in the place of y you have 1. So we are going to substitute in the identity. So 2x plus 1 the whole cube equals to 2x the whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. So 2x cube, that is 2x into 2x into 2x, that will be equal to 8x cube. 1 cube is 1 and 3 into 2x is 6 into 1 is 6x. 2x plus 1 we are writing as it is, and this can be further written as 8x cube plus 6x into 2x is 12x squared. 6x into 1 is 6x. This one we are writing it as a last term. We'll move on to the second problem, that is 2a minus 3b the whole cube. Now look at here, you have x term, y term and you have a negative symbol here. So now we are going to use the second identity, that is x minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into xy. So here in the place of x you have 2a and in the place of y you have 3b. Now we are going to substitute it. 2a minus 3b the whole cube equals to 2a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b. So simplifying this you get 2a the whole cube can be written as 8a cube minus symbol 3b the whole cube can be written as 27b cube. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 2 is 18. So minus 18ab, writing this expression down. So this can be written as 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 into 2 is 36. So 36 you have a and you get multiplied by a gives a squared. So 36a squared b, 18ab into 3b, that can be written as 54ab squared. You have minus symbol here and a minus symbol here, so that's why we are writing a plus symbol. Third problem is 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So this expression matches to is similar to the first one, that is x plus y the whole cube. So we are going to use the first identity. In the place of x you have 3 by 2x and in the place of y you have 1. So substituting we'll get 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube equals to 3 by 2x the whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into the place of xy 3 by 2x into 1. So in the place of x plus y 3 by 2x plus 1. So 3 by 2 the whole cube you can write that as 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 cube is 1. 3 into 3 is 9. So you get 9 by 2x. So we are writing here as 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x plus 1. This can be further written as 27 by 8x cube plus 1. Now multiply 9 by 2x to the inside the brackets, you get 9 into 3 is 27. 2 into 2 is 4. X into x is x squared. 9 by 2x into 1 is 9 by 2x. So here this term can be written as 27 by 8 x cube. 1 we are writing it as this is a constant, so we are going to write it in the last. 27 by 4 can be written as 27 by 4 x squared. 9 by 2x you can write it. So we are writing in the descending order of the degrees. Here you have x cube, x squared, this is x term and this is 1. Now we are going to solve the fourth problem, that is x minus 2 by 3y the whole cube. You have negative symbol here. So we are going to use the second problem. Now the second identity is x minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Now we are going to use the second identity. Here in the place of x you have x and in the place of y you have 2 by 3y. So let's substitute it. So x minus 2 by 3y the whole cube equals to x cube minus 2 by 3y the whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3y into x minus 2 by 3y. So in the places of x and y you are substituting the values. So x the whole cube is x cube minus 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, y cube, here 3 into x into 2 by 3y. So here 3 and 3 will get cancelled out. So you get balance 2xy. So that's what we have written here, and x minus 2 by 3y you are writing it as it is, and here x cube you are writing as x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2 in 2xy you are multiplying with x, you get 2x squared y, 2x squared into 2 by 3y. So minus and minus will become plus here. 2xy into 2 is 4xy squared. You have divided by 3 here. We are writing the denominator as 3. So 2xy into 2 by 3y, you are getting 4 by 3 xy the y squared. The next problem is evaluate the following using suitable identities. So 99 the whole cube. So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. So in the place of 99 we are going to write as 100 minus 1. Why are we writing this is because to use the identity we need a x term and a y term. So we can take this term as x and this one as y. So 99 the whole cube can be written as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. So we have the identity x minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So let's substitute the given values in the identity. X you have as 100 and the place of y you have 1. So we get 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. So 100 into 100 cube. So you have 2 zeros. When you make it cube, you need to write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you have 6 zeros. 1 cube is 1. 3 into 100 is 300. So we have minus 300 here. 100 minus 1 we are writing as it is. So we are writing the same step again. Here you are simplifying this term alone. 300 into 100 is 30,000. 300 into minus 1 is 300. So we are going to do addition and subtraction. The answer will become 97. It is 9,70,299. We'll move on to the second problem, 102 the whole cube. So we can write this term as 100 plus 2 the whole cube. So we are going to use the formula x plus y the whole cube because here you have plus symbol. So in the place of x you have 100 and the place of y you have y. So you get 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. So simplifying this, you need to write 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, 6 zeros, plus 2 cube is 8, 3 into 100 into 2 is 600, into 100 plus 2. So we are going to write 1 6 zeros plus 8 plus 600 into 100 is 60,000, plus 600 into 2 is 1200. So simplifying, we get 1061208 as the answer. Now the third problem is 998 the cube. So this number is 2 less than 1000. So we are going to take it as 1000 minus 2. Here you have minus symbol. So we are going to use the identity x minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So 998 the whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. In the place of x you have 1000 and in the place of y you have 2. So substituting you get 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2. So you have 3 zeros here, you have cube. So you have to write 9 zeros. Be careful while writing the zeros. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros. 2 cube is 8. 3 into 1000 into 2 is 6000. 1000 minus 2. So in the next step, you are going to multiply 6000 into 1000. Have 3 zeros here, 3 zeros. So totally 6 zeros you have to write, plus 12,000. 6000 into 2 is 12,000. So after simplifying, you get the answer as 994011992. So in our next video, we'll do the exercise 2.5 sum number 8.